Make a great choice today with
The 2019 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, rear all-season, privacy glass, fog lamps, front disc rear drum brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.